Hello and welcome to Crypto News, November 30th, 2025, and the top news about cryptocurrencies is as follows. We will go to our country and then to China, where the Central Bank of China confirms the ban on cryptocurrencies and notes the risks that stablecoins have. As you know, China wants to promote its own CBDC, so stablecoins are definitely a problem. From China, we will go to England and the new rules in England. Specifically, the UK government confirmed in the 2025 budget that it will implement new rules that will force cryptocurrency traders to report personal data to exchange platforms from January 1st of next year. This is not such a big deal. It is something that would have happened anyway, as it happens in traditional markets. And in cryptocurrencies, laws are gradually being introduced, so obviously there must be KYC. Moving on, we'll go to America and the supergiants, and we'll start with NASDAQ. The US NASDAQ Stock Exchange is making SEC approval of its proposal to offer tokenized versions of stocks listed on the exchange, a top priority according to the exchange's crypto chief. So as we see, tokenization is in fashion and will be for a long time, especially in the coming years. But why is NASDAQ so interested? Because probably products related to cryptocurrencies are selling a lot. And we'll go to BlackRock's ETF, which according to a top executive is now the company's biggest source of income. So BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has become the company's most profitable product line, according to Mr. Cristiano Castro, who is head of business development at BlackRock in Brazil. This is notable, as BlackRock has 1,400 ETFs worldwide and is the world's largest asset manager with more than $13.4 trillion in assets under management. So crypto products, and specifically Bitcoin, are the company's biggest source of revenue. It's a remarkable feat, and it shows that all the companies are pushing each other to get into crypto faster. Moving on, we'll also go to Europe, where someone probably hit their head against the wall, and we're slowly getting into crypto as the largest asset manager gets into tokenization. Specifically, we're going to Amundi, which is, as I said, the largest asset manager in Europe with over $2.3 trillion in equity, which, as they told us, will be offering the first of their products, which is tokenization on the Ethereum blockchain. And we're talking about Amundi Fund Cash, where Europe is also slowly discovering cryptocurrencies and investing in them. Moving on, we're going to Visa, which is making the right moves to not disappear. And Visa, we learned, has partnered with Aquanal, which is a cryptocurrency infrastructure provider, so that this partnership will enable stablecoin exchanges in Central and Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. Why is Visa doing this? He does this because he sees stablecoin exchanges through Visa reaching $2.5 billion annually. And as we've said in previous episodes of Crypto News, all value transfer will happen on the blockchain in the future. So companies like Visa, if they want to stay in business, will have to adapt to blockchain. And also Visa sees that it makes money from cryptocurrencies, so it invests more in them. Moving on to our investments, since I mentioned them, we're going to go to Animoca Brand, which is a company that invests a lot in the cryptocurrency market and specifically invests in video games in the cryptocurrency market. First of all, as we saw in Crypto News, video games are not selling right now. We'll have to wait for the next rally to see them do something, and that's what Animoca Brand finally realized when it says that for 2026, it will focus its investments on stablecoins and real assets, which in the episode you saw that everyone is investing in right now, and it also plans to become a public company in the US at some point. And for the latest news of the day, we're going to Ethereum, where an Ethereum ICO whale from 2014 has probably found the keys to its wallet and sold off about $60 million after a 9,500x profit. And we're going to our favorite cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin at $90,000, with the price due to the weekend doing nothing because there's no money to move the markets. Despite all of this, Bitcoin could go up a little bit more in the future. And a little more specifically, I'll show you the chart here, which is nothing special. Despite all of this, historically, after Thanksgiving, the cryptocurrency market goes up. And as we've said in previous episodes, now that we have the holidays, we're supposed to see a Santa rally, a little rally in Bitcoin because of the holidays, because everyone is happy for Christmas. This is obviously not certain, but it has happened in previous years. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, May 19th, 2023. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.